Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Systeme.io for sales funnels in one place, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, go to the Systeme.io website. Create your account by clicking on the Get Started button. Fill in the required details, such as your email address and password. After confirming your email, log into your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Funnels tab located in the left sidebar. In the Funnels section, click on the Create button. Name your sales funnel and choose a goal, such as sell or collect emails. Select the type of funnel you want to create. After choosing the funnel type, click Create. Now, you will see a blank canvas for your funnel steps. Click on the Add Step button to start adding pages to your funnel. In the page editor, customize your page using drag and drop elements. Add text blocks, images, buttons, and other elements as needed. Adjust the settings for each element to align with your branding. Once satisfied with your design, click the Save button to store your changes. Repeat the process to add more steps to your funnel as required. After adding all your pages, go back to the Funnels section. Click on the opt-in settings to configure your email settings. Set up your email campaign by selecting Automations. Create an automation to send emails to leads captured in your funnel. You can also set up tags for customer segmentation. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your funnel live. Test your sales funnel to ensure everything is working correctly. With these steps, you have successfully configured Systeme.io for sales funnels in one place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.